than that one random guy that got shot in the face by that stupid dancing retard. Nobody dances in my face like that. What now? What now? That's pathetic. It's already cocked. Oh, thank you. What now? What now? Let's go a little more extreme right here. Now remember, kids, don't forget to walk up to random people and just start dancing. Bye! Holy crap! You're actually watching the credits? That's lame!